Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin now. Remove the cardboard sleeve and tease open the foil lip so steam can escape later. Place the foil-covered pan in the center of a medium flame. You want steady heat, not a roar. Once set, press down gently so the foil contacts the rim. Keep the handle safe and your face back. The foil will expand. This initial heat primes the kernels. You're starting the chemistry that converts moisture to steam. That's what pops. You'll hear the first pops in a minute or two. Once you do, start a steady, gentle shake every 20 to 30 seconds to keep kernels moving and avoid hot spots. If the foil darkens quickly or you see smoke, reduce the flame a bit. You want a warm, even pop rather than a scorch. As popping moves from rapid bursts to a slower rhythm, you're approaching done. Keep shaking. This spreads heat and finishes the few stubborn kernels. You stop heating when popping slows to about 2 or 3 seconds between pops. Immediately remove the pan from heat and set it on a cool surface. Wait roughly 30 seconds before peeling back the foil. Trapped steam can burn. Pour into a bowl and season. If you find many unpopped kernels, return the pan to medium heat for a short burst, or wait a minute and try again. Underheating is the usual culprit, so a bit more steady warmth fixes it.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.